All right, so today we are unboxing the iPhone XS. It is February 2020. The iPhone 11 is available, but I already have this charging battery case from Apple that I bought out in Cupertino, and I really love it, and I want to continue to use it. And I'm not really blown away with all the features on the iPhone 11, so you know what? The XS is going to do the trick. I just got 64 gig, which is the same as the iPhone X that I'm using to record this video, which I've had for a year and a half. So the back, the glass on my X broke, cracked, and the Face ID hasn't worked for almost a year. So I put up with it long enough, but now I need a new phone. So the XS was really perfect for what I needed. So when you open it, you get, all of the standard kind of paper. The features, some basic functionality, a SIM card tool. Kind of the same stuff they've always had, right? And of course a couple stickers, which I have on my car always. Nothing else in there. And then the phone itself, which looks nice. I think I got space gray. Cool, and I got some more headphones. All right, so another charging plug, which I definitely can use. You can always use more of those. Some more headphones, fantastic. I have the AirPods, but I definitely like having wired headphones because in some cases I'm afraid that the AirPods are gonna fall out of my ears, which they do. Charging cable. So the phone itself, wrapped very nicely. And looks beautiful. I think we hold this down for 3 seconds and she'll power up. There we go. So that's it. Looks beautiful. It's nice to have a nice new phone. And I think it's gonna fit perfectly in my case. I bought this one because it's so nice to have the extra battery life. See, you can see double. So you basically get twice the battery storage capacity, which is awesome. So that's it. Time for me to set it up. The iPhone XS.